Good morning, students. We have already discussed house property, income from house property, and we have already discussed three concepts. First of all, municipal valuation means valuation done by the municipal corporation. Second, expected rent or rent which is taken in generally in the area in which your property is, and third one is standard rent. So we have already discussed those three components. So on the basis of that, we are also discussing here today our second step and third step for calculation of gross annual value. This gross annual value is very important for calculation of income from house property, because house property income is calculated on the basis of the value which is provided here in gross annual value form. Okay, so first of all we will follow the same calculations. So I have already provided its so I have already provided this sum in your Telegram group. Okay, so first of all we are starting with, here there are three types of SSEs are given: A, B and C. Okay, they have already provided in the sum municipal valuation, expected rent and standard rent. Okay, so these three components are already given in the sum, and then after another information is given about rent received or receivable, means actual rent received by owner of the property. Okay, so please take a note here is that these three components are different and actual amount received is different. Okay, these all are basis of calculation, and this actual amount which is received by SSE. Okay, so we have already given. So as usual, first of all we have to compare in step number 1. First of all, municipal valuation and expected rent, whichever is higher will be selected, means 2,52,000 and 2,70,000. Which amount is higher? So you will tell me that rupees 2,70,000 is higher amount, sir. So 2,70,000 will be selected. Then after we will compare it with standard rent, which is rupees 2,01,600. So here we are considering lower amount. So lower amount is rupees 2,01,600. So in step number 1, 2,01,600 amount will be considered, because lower amount will be considered. Then after in SSE number B, 1,26,000 and 1,35,000. So first of all we have to consider higher value, which is rupees 1,35,000, and in second stage we will consider lower amount. We will compare this 1,35,000 with rupees 1,50,000. So lower amount will be selected here, rupees 1,35,000. Okay, then after in third SSE, rupees 1,26,000 municipal value and 1,35,000 expected rent. So we will have to select higher amount. Okay, so higher amount is rupees 1,35,000. Then after we will have to compare it with standard rent, and here we will consider lower amount, which is rupees 1,08,000 rupees. Okay, then after additional information provided is that rent received or receivable is rupees 2,84,000, 1,08,000 and 90,000. Here gross annual value will be considered on the basis of comparison between step number 1 and step number 2. So in this case we will have to consider higher amount. Okay, so here we are considering it with 2,84,000, we are comparing it with 2,84,000 and 2,01,600. So here higher value is rupees 2,84,000. Then after rupees 1,08,000 and 1,35,000. So here higher amount is rupees 1,35,000. and then after here rupees 1,08,000. So first of all you have to consider municipal value and expected rent, whichever higher will be selected. Then after selected amount will be compared with standard rent. Here we will have to consider lower amount. Okay student, please note here that, please consider this point. Okay, so concentrate on that. In first point we are considering higher amount between municipal valuation and expected rent. In second situation, selected amount will be compared with standard rent and lower amount will be considered. Okay, then after we will have information about rent received or receivable. It is new component here provided to you in this sum. Okay, actual rent received or receivable by owner of the property is rupees 2,84,000, 1,08,000 and 90,000. So here in step number 1, selected amount will be compared with step number 2, actual rent received or receivable. In this case we will consider higher value. Okay, so step number 3 will be comparison of step number 1 and 2, and then in step number 3 gross annual value will be comparison of step 1 and step 2, and higher value will be considered here. Means here rupees 2,84,000, here 1,35,000 and 1,08,000. Okay students, so we have already calculated our gross annual value, which is basic information for taxable income of house property. Okay students.